My name is Dorothy Schick. I'm a flight instructor and the owner of Take Wing Flight School in Cresswell, Oregon, near Eugene, Oregon. My hardest day is really a day where things don't happen like I planned. Airplane tire needs to be fixed. The schedule gets canceled 3 times within an hour, and things start to unravel where we thought everything was going to work out just fine. So those are hard days, but they happen. You just got to go with the flow. Typical hard day would be when one of the flight instructors comes in and says the airplane pre-flighted and didn't meet the airworthiness standard. Something was wrong with it, and we have 5 other people lined out to fly it that day, and we have to move schedules, get people trained, or get people moved to other aircraft. Those are hard times. Another hard part of the day would be when the weather doesn't prove to be as forecast. And now, again, we have to reschedule people and move people around. That makes it hard for them, and it makes it hard for us. Those are typically the hardest parts of the day, the constant juggling of schedules due to weather and maintenance.